All my components are here now. I just got here from UPS. I've already had my processor for a few days, but everything else just got here. Got my case, Cooler Master Elite 430 Black, Mid-Tower ATX. I don't know what's in each of these boxes yet. Let's see. Go ahead and see if I can get these open without messing up any of the stuff inside. Alright. I guess this is my roommate's. This is a bag of lollipops. Who is this for? Tony. Yes, this is for my roommate. This is a huge, giant box of lollipops. Okay, that can go there then. That's his stuff. Alright, now, on to the good stuff, I guess. Unless you consider the lollipops to be the good stuff, but this is my good stuff. Okay. That should... that should do it. Alright, here we go. We've got my G.Skill 8 gigabytes of RAM. Set that down next to my processor there. We've got my 120mm case fan. Those are screws rattling around in there. That's blue LED built in. Don't know what this is yet. I'll open that in a minute. Put it down right there. Corsair TX650 650 watt power supply. That's good stuff right there. We've got the EVGA GeForce 650 SE. This is my video card. That'll go in. We've got my CPU cooler. One already comes with the CPU, but the stock ones aren't necessarily very good, so it won't keep it as cool as I'd like. And we have the motherboard, 790X Evo by Asus. Okay, so now it's time to open this guy up. Give me a second. Do that. Here we go. We have the 1 terabyte, 7200 RPM, 6 gigabytes per second, Corsair Blue, or Caviar Blue, Western Digital, terabyte hard drive. So that's everything. I'll take pictures and upload them as I do the build. This is just the pre-video, and then I'll do another video when I finish.